But what your director did is not respectful, and I think that's not fair.
Mexico, where are you?
Hello, Gram World. It's now day 3 of the 74th Miss Universe pageant in Thailand. Today is supposed to be replete with exciting activities like sashing and other activities. But as many of us know, something not so pleasant is brewing in the pageant. It began when the local organizer and host, MGI Limited, of beauty mogul Mr. Nawat, and the Miss Universe organization, led by Raul Roca, had an apparent disagreement with Mr. Nawat organizing an event within the competition in which some of the queens are to appear in a dinner and a talk show activity. Pageant site Miss You Updates was right to point out that the event was somewhat unfair when only a handful of the candidates are given the chance and even voted in. The controversy escalated when during the routine orientation, which used to be an exciting activity for previous Miss Universe candidates, became a sort of witch hunt, with Nawat confronting Miss Mexico Fatima Bosch for supposedly not promoting the host country of Thailand in her social media. Here's part of the proceeding caught by the press.
How many countries not working with me when you ask? Can you remember the country? When he asked you to promote video clip this morning, but you say no. Show up your hand, please. Show up your hand. I have your list. Show up your hand. What country name? Mexico, where are you? Okay. I heard you not agree to post everything about Thailand, about every article, about our activities. Is it true? You can do it. Okay? Can you do it? Because of the report from our staff, you don't like to post everything because your director from Mexico order you not pay any attention to post, to do any about host country.
No, it's which side is correct or which side is incorrect.
Okay, I just ask you. My question is, you can follow our step or not? You can post or not? You can work to promote Thailand or not? Yes or no? Yes, right? Okay, sit down. Thank you so much. Yes, it's yes. How many jobs she didn't do it? Check. Let's she did within today. Okay, so many posts she didn't affect anything. Yes.
Could you repeat the question? I didn't hear.
No, only for the Mexico. Sorry, not you. Because of I got the report directly because she don't do anything she don't like and she asked for the national director Mexico. Because national director Mexico now, police kick him out from the country already, and he leave the message like this. It's not polite. It's not good. It's a damage for the queen. If you follow the order from your national director, you are damaged. If you not, you can do. I'm very happy. And a good report to Universe organization. Listen, I have the contract by the RICO. I can do the vote for dinner. Because my contract is in between my company with Singapore Legacy, not Mexico.
Everyone was stunned when Mr. Nawat called security and had Miss Mexico escorted out of the venue. In an emotional interview, Miss Mexico called Mr. Nawat's action as disrespectful, even as she reiterated her love and fondness for the people of Thailand. She also accused Mr. Nawat of calling her unpleasant names, thus the alleged disrespect.
I truly love Thailand. I respect all of you. I think that you're amazing people. But what just your director did is not respectful. He called me dumb because he had problems with the organization. And I think that's not fair because I'm here and I do everything okay. I don't mess with anyone. I just try to be kind. I'm trying to give my best. And he just shot me and he just said to me and shut up and a lot of different things. And I think that the world needs to see this because we are empowered women and this is a platform for our voice. And no one can shut our voice and no one will do that to me. And I don't have a problem with any one of you. You have my respect and I love your country. But the way that he treats me without any reason just because he has problems, that is not okay. And I hope that everyone at home, every woman, doesn't matter if you have a big dream, if you have a crown, if that's take away your dignity, you need to go. Thank you.
Miss Mexico was apparently a collateral damage, since Roca of MUO's Legacy Group is also Mexican. Mr. Nawat has yet to comment on the issue. With this development, many are apprehensive about the future of the Miss Universe 2025 pageant. Many would also want this mess resolved once and for all for the sake of the queens and the respective countries they represent.